Are you in the park with your cell phone and you watch a girl walking near you? After a lot from her, she tries to get away from her but you don't let her? Do you take her by the hand without telling her why? Violets, lilies, and roses are the main ingredients of this fragrance. And do you approach her neck? If this happened, you will already know for sure what happens. The preparation is carefully made to achieve its excellent quality, and its simple packaging gives it a romantic and sensual touch. It is simple because she wears the Raindrops fragrance. Raindrops, awaken forbidden passions.